Good morning, Nick, and happy Labor Day to you. My name is Kevin Smith here at Tameron Hyundai, and I want to thank you for your interest in the Toyota Yaris, which is sitting right here next to me. Nick, you have chosen an excellent car that gives you good gas mileage here, small, compact, and I'm sure it's going to fit all your needs that you need here. Listen, I want you to come in a little bit closer, just take a look at it. As you can see the big Toyota sign on the front end of it. Nice projecting headlights, great tires on it here. It is silver in color for you. On the inside, Nick, it has the dark gray cloth interior for you here. Has a CD player for you, cold air, hot heat for the upcoming winter time here. Listen, has iPod Connect, all kind of good little features to this little small car here. Listen, Nick, I need you to get down here ASAP today. It's a great day to come out here. We're located right here, 1591 Montgomery Highway, right here in Hoover, Alabama, across from the big Wells Fargo Bank. Nick, I promise you one thing here at Tameron Hyundai, you're gonna love to be the way you're treated. But let me give you my number here, just in case you need to give me a call, 205-380-6250, or hit me on my cell phone at 205-540-3113. Thank you, Nick, again. You're gonna love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai, and I know you're gonna love this car here. Take care.